Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix shared folder not syncing in OneDrive app at 2026. So why shared folders don't sync? Shared folders fail to sync usually because of not added to my files section, wrong account signed in, permission issues like view versus edit, etc., sync post or app restricted in the background, app cache or outdated version, even the storage limit. So the first step that I want you to do is to make sure the folder is added to my files. So to do that, you will need to open the OneDrive app, and after that just go and tap on files from here. And after that, just go with shared, okay? So you will need to locate and tap the shared folder, and then just tap add my files or add to my files. And wait a few minutes, and syncing starts only after this step. So it will be added to my files section. The second thing is to check you're signed into the correct account, because shared folders are tied to a specific email. So to do that, you will need just to tap on the profile icon that's located on the top left corner, and right here you can confirm the email, and you will need to make sure that it matches the one the folder was shared with. If not, you can sign out from that email and sign with the correct account, or you can add the correct account just from that option. So just tap on add account and sign in with the correct or the actual one. After that, you will need to confirm that you have edit permission. So folders shared as view only may not sync properly. So we will need to ask the owner to reshare with can edit option. And if permissions changed recently, wait from 5 to 10 minutes. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.